What it do, YouTube? It's your boy True King Game coming to you with another bang. And the topic for the day is how to be an asshole woman love, bro. So let's get it. Alright, bro. So the first things, bro, like the first way to do it, first step, you come first, G. Assholes, they come first. So like in life, man, most of these niggas, if you're alpha and you're red pilled and you're probably most therefore you're on the way to becoming an asshole, you're probably either gonna put yourself first. Almost every fucking time, bro. Every day you're going to put yourself first. Cause at the end of the day is you only have you, my G. No one can love you more than you love yourself, bro. No one can love you more than you love yourself, bro. And no one can help you more than you can help yourself. So, bro, put yourself first, G. Whether it's going like, let's say, probably you have a gig for Friday, then you meet another gig on Friday. No, okay, let's say you have a gig for Friday and you meet another girl, during the week, probably like on a Thursday, you meet another girl and fine, she's more feminine and she's down to see you on Friday also, the same time as the other gig also. Yeah, but this other gig is, she's been in your rotation and you're like, I'd like to see her, but oh, this one has a fatter ass and she's more feminine, and I'ma do what's best for me, baby. I'ma do what's best for me. Alright, guys, do that, bro. You do that, bro. You do what's best for you, bro. Cause, bro, we're in a world full of hoes. So, bro, do the best for you, my G. Settle for the apple that's on top of the tree, G. Don't settle for the low-hanging fruits, bro. Come on, bro. We are fucking kings, bro. Respect yourself, G. Respect yourself. So show it, G. Bro, guys, quick story time, bro. So, like, I was chilling, with my broskies. And, like, I met this other new girl, But, like, I was chilling with the new girl that I met. Her name is Moesha. She was fine, cute, light skin, whatnot. Had a nice thick body, And then like the girl that I met from Tinder, she came through also. But the thing is, like the girl from Tinder, the vibes that she was giving me, whoa, bro, it was not that good though. She was not on that, let's fuck vibes and all that, bro. As the day was going on, the night, So yo, bro. So the thing is, I try to, finesse, but because obviously, I'm there chilling, vibing. She's drinking, we're drinking, playing drinking games, all that vibing. And like Moesha's vibing more than the other girl from Tinder, So I'm like, okay. So I'm like, okay, bad. So then I read the situation and I'm like, alright, cool. I can see you're not fucking with me. So I'ma just go to Moesha then. Because Moesha is fucking with me. So that's what I did, bro. I chilled, got on the couch. Basically everyone was drunk and fucked out, people were sleeping. So it was just me and Moesha, we're chilling. And then, just made a move, bro. Started kissing and shit like that. Started playing with the pussy and all that shit, fingering that and whatnot. you know how we get. And like, yeah, bro, from there on, like, I'm not sure, but like, I feel like bro, there's another vibe because, bro, the Tinder girl, I don't know if she was awake or not because, like, we're in a sitting room and whatnot. So then, like, I thought she was asleep though, bro, because, like, because then it was, like, late in the fucking morning, bro, like at 3, bro, I was there, getting my shit on, Emotions is here, giving me a hand job, helping me out and whatnot. But, bro, I didn't know shit, but I was like, it's cool, I'm gonna do what's best for me, bro. So do what's best for you guys. Always do what's best for you, bro. If she's not on your vibes, it's either your way or no way, G. Your way or no way, G. Alright, bro. The next thing is, bro, you don't let anyone take advantage of you, G. Bro, I don't give a fuck who it is, bro. I don't give a fuck who it is, bro. You don't let no one take advantage of you, G. If anyone disrespect you, you check that motherfucker. If any girl disrespects you, bro, you check that girl like, oh, yo, you don't talk to me like that. Don't raise your tone with me. I don't give a fuck who it is, bro. I don't give a fuck who it is. You don't let anyone take advantage of you, G. No one, bro. No one, bro. Cause you are a fucking king, my G. You are a king, bro. You don't accept such stupid behavior towards you, bro. No, bro. You just don't. G. You don't, my nigga. If a girl is not vibing with you, just playing funny games, bro, you bench that key. You bench, you ghost, bro. You do whatever brings peaceness to your mind, G. Alright, bro. Do that, bro. Alright, bro. The next one is, bro, be mysterious, bro. Be mysterious, G. Like, the thing is with these girls, bro, you have to be mysterious, you know. You can't just, she comes through, she's maybe a girl in your rotation, she comes through, and then you just do the same positions again and again and whatnot. Bro, be spontaneous, bro. Bruh, if the geek comes through, go to the shower. Oh, no, let's go to the shower first, Go in the shower, go, make her give you a head in the shower. Then, go to the bedroom, Then you fuck the shit out of there. Or you go to the sitting room, bruh. Bruh, no cap, fam, bruh, because, bruh, I've been doing this shit for the longest, bruh, and I won't lie to you, this shit is gold, bruh. Cause like that, the geese just like, oh, what's he gonna do today? Like she's always thinking like, what are we going to do today? Where the fuck will he fuck me today? Bruh, guys, be on this shit, bruh. Be mysterious with these bitches, bruh. Bruh, y'all can't just be boring as fuck, bruh. I swear. And like, I'm also, trying to increase, my sexual vibes, with these bitches and whatnot. So like, I'm trying to, get my, sex toys and whatnot, to help out a bit, Cause bro, these bitches are nasty, G. These bitches are nasty, bro. So you must do the most, bro. So bro, do be mysterious with these bitches, bro. Be mysterious, bro. That's one way to be mysterious. Another way is, don't always like hit her up, just let it chill, let her hit you back, let her think about you, like after you give her that good sex, don't hit her up for like 2 weeks or 1 week, and then just let her think about you, like even maybe 3 weeks, bro. Let her think about you, and then maybe and if she really wants to see you again, she'll hit you. So now you just so like she'll probably hit you so like you don't care about me anymore. And that's when you know you have her, my G. That's when you know you have her in your fucking hand, G. That's when you know you have her, bro. And then you're like, nah, B. If she hits you back with that, man, then you know already what's good, bro. She wants to, bang and whatnot, bro. So then you're like, oh, nah, B, it's not like that. Daddy's always busy, working, trying to be productive and all that. So what's good with you? You wanna see Daddy again tomorrow? Yes, Daddy. Guys, be on about this shit, bro. Be about this shit, G. Y'all think, man, these bitches just want nice guys. Bro, they don't want nice guys, G. They don't want nice guys. Don't be a nice guy, bro. Be a fucking asshole, bro. Be a fucking asshole, bro. And, bro, the fourth one here, bro. So, give women challenges, bro. Like, she gotta earn you, G. She gotta earn, she gotta earn your respect and your attention. She can't just get it like that, bro. She just can't get it like that. She gotta work. She gotta put in work, bro. Work. Constantly put in work. She gotta be chasing you, G. But the thing is, you have to be chasing your purpose, which will be providing the bag, which will be attracting more girls, which will make her more jealous because then she sees you with other girls and not her there. Alright, bro? Give these women challenges, bro, Throw hints and tests, here and there, bro, Just to play with her mind, bro. Like, bro, like for example, bro, me. Bro, I had this one girl, yeah, I linked up with her, fucked the shit out of her, and then like I just stopped texting her, bro. Like for a good whole month, bro. I just stopped. And then she hits me with that bullshit. Nah, I thought, no, what's good now? You don't want me anymore. I'm like, nah, B, nah, bro, it's cool. You can come see me if you wanna come see me. Okay, then. That's what you want. You gotta be giving these girls challenges, bro. Give her challenges. She gotta earn your fucking attention, bro. You can't just be giving it like that, bro. Like that. Nah, G, nah, fuck that. We're not about that. If she wants you, she gotta work. She gotta put in the work, bro. She gotta earn it. Alright, bro. That's the video for the day. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, with the broskies to help grow the channel. Alright, bro. Deuces.